So let's do an in-depth review of the Viking Revolution beard care kit today. So with this care kit you get a lot of stuff here. So the first cool thing is this beard comb. It has the fine tooth and also a larger gap between them, so you can really go through your beard. And I find this especially useful right before I'm shaving, so to get like all of the hairs in the right position, all of them down, so I know where to cut. So that's really cool for shaving. Then you have the scissors in here, so you can make like tiny little cuts, maybe to your mustache right here. So that's cool. A very small little brush here, so you can go through your beard as well. And then you have this cool wooden beard brush, and it's really soft. So when you go through your beard, I like to do that also right after I've showered, dried my beard, and just before putting on some oil and beard balm. Now to finish off this routine, you can use a cool little beard balm here, and this one is the sandalwood scent. So that smells really nice and refreshing. A little outdoorsy, so it's still manly but also very refreshing, and it's easy to use. Just take a little and rub that across the palm of your hand until it becomes very soft, and then you can go through your beard with this. And then you also get this beard oil, which also has a sandalwood scent, and you can just drop a few drops of this in your beard, and this will really make your beard healthy and shiny. So with all of these products together in just a cool tin like this, which is very cool and embossed, so it's a great present as well, I really recommend this.